Hi, I'm Sianed Gwen-Davies. I'm singing the role of Badessa in Suor Angelica and Cesca in Gianni Schicchi.
I'm playing the role of Rinuccio in Gianni Schicchi. Well, the opera is by the famous Puccini. The music is obviously luscious and romantic, and it's just it's glorious music.
Suor Angelica's music is probably the most beautiful music I've ever worked on in opera. Hearing all the different members of the chorus all the way through is just a feast for your ears. The music of Gianni Schicchi is lively, can be difficult at times. It's very much an ensemble piece, and you have to make sure you're counting all the time.
I come from Uruguay and we love Puccini. Puccini is touching our hearts.
Well, we're in the middle of the rehearsal period at the moment. It's going well so far, so it's short, sharp and very decisive basically. Stand here, do that, and then you can add a little bit of detail here and there to your personal taste, if the director allows you to.
Rehearsals so far are a lot of fun. We've got different cast members, so that's always keeping it fresh. Yesterday I was laughing so hard I was crying, so hopefully you'll be doing the same at the end of the evening.
What I love of this company is the atmosphere, the professionality. We are rehearsing, I mean, 3 operas more or less at the same time, so it's wonderful to be part of this team, and young people are making their stage, maybe first experience or whatever. That's wonderful. We need this. This is culture and this is society.
I think this production is like a pick and mix. You get the darkness, the emotion, maybe some tears at the end of some of them, but then at the very end you get lots of laughter and plenty of comedy.
Audiences should come and see because they talk about what we are. We are all striving with the same things for ages, and because it's a human condition, it's always the same. So this is so actual. We're talking about love, about losing a child, about a couple that cannot talk to each other. It's so human.
I came to see this in the last run WNO did. I'm glad I did because I've fallen in love with Gianni Schicchi. It's one of the operas that is very comic and it's joyous and it's bouncy. I even told my mum and dad, you're going to enjoy this opera. So yeah, come along.